Here is my salad in a jar recipe. It not only looks great, but it's a really good way to use up leftover vegetables and to take to work for a packed lunch. So first you need a jam jar with a lid. I'm using some cooked pasta, some leftover veggies, some tinned sweet corn, some salad, a tin of butter beans, some hummus and some pesto and some nuts. So first of all, what you need to do is just layer up your jar. I'm starting with some hummus, which I had, then a little bit of salad, which I've dressed in some olive oil, add some chopped cucumber or some tomatoes. Then I've got some butter beans in here for some protein. I'm adding a little bit of tinned sweet corn, and then I'm using some cooked pasta, and I'm mixing some pesto, but you could use some cooked rice if you want, or some quinoa. This would work well as well. So you need to load it up and make it look really, really attractive. I've got some leftover cooked broccoli, some sweet potato, some more salad and some tomatoes, and then I'm going to add some nuts and seeds for a little bit of extra goodness, and then half a chopped avocado. Finish by drizzling with a little bit of pesto, and then keep in the fridge until you want to eat.